Hey, lower school percussionists. I hope everything's okay. I hope your families are healthy and they're safe. So what I'm going to do in this video is I'm going to give you directions for the assignment that I want you guys to complete for this week. Okay, so, sorry, this light, awkward spot. So what you're going to do is we are going to put together a percussion ensemble digitally, okay? It was written for bucket drums, and I figured that that was pretty simple and pretty straightforward. But I want you to get creative with it. You can use some kitchen tools, all right, if you got some weird stuff that you want to play with. Or you can use the drums and pads that you guys have, some of you. But you can kind of experiment with some different sounds. I've seen other percussion ensembles done with, like, different pitched glasses, like water glasses with different levels of water in them to like mess with it. So totally an option. You can have a little bit of fun with this, okay? So the piece that we're gonna look at is called, hang on one second. It is called 7, okay? And there's 2 parts. There's bucket part 1 and there's bucket part 2. I will do a video for both parts, okay, separately, and then so you can learn it, you can get comfortable with it. Then what you're going to do is you're going to email it and send it to me. When we do it, we're going to do it in little pieces each week. So it goes from like A to B, and then, there's different letters, and we'll probably go letter to letter until we get to the end. And then at the end, I will have you guys record one full-length video of the whole song, and then we'll put it together and we'll splice it together using the video. So what you're going to need is you're going to need a metronome somehow, okay? Because I want to make sure that we stay on the same tempo. So you're going to have to practice this with a metronome. And what I would do is there's a bunch of different metronomes on YouTube that you can use. I actually have one on my phone that I use. There's a lot of free ones. If you have an iPad or something, you can pull up a metronome for free. But what I ask is if you have the metronome going, put it in some sort of earbuds or in headphones so that I can't hear it, like the video can't pick it up. But so that you know the tempo, so that you stay with the tempo, okay? Because I want to be able to kind of have this be nice and seamless when we get to the end for that big video, okay? So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to demonstrate what bucket part 1 and what bucket part 2 are like in the other videos on this YouTube channel, okay? Letters A to B is only body percussion, so you don't need equipment yet, but it might be a good time to start thinking about some creative ways to make the sounds that you need, okay? Thanks.